Fantastic. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the 3G team. Thank you so much for the entire community who have actually gathered here to actually be part of this Tamil Nadu's largest career guidance event for artificial intelligence and IR 4.0 era, right? So this is really a blessed opportunity to be part of this particular event. I'm very thankful, a very big thankful for the 3G team, World Book of Records, United Kingdom, and as well as specifically special thanks to Dr. Maharaja because our journey in 2014, so I think we met in an international conference to the now it's a huge transformation in every individual thing that what we are actually impacting in the youth's life. So this is really amazing. So thank you so much everybody for making it happen. So now, so is it okay if I share a bit about myself? Is it okay? Yes, give me a thumbs up or just type it yes in the comment box. Yes in the comment box. Yes, thank you. So currently I have authored 2 best-selling books. It's called as Why Being Independent is Awesome and X Money Secrets. So have 7 different independent systems, so in various different domains, and have impacted over more than 35,000 plus people across the country. So this is a short introduction, right? So, and I'm very blessed to be a blessing. So this is where right now College Innovators as a particular company getting incubated and supported by Niti Aayog, Government of India, and Atal Innovation Mission. And yes. So the main objective, let's get to the main topic, right? The main objective of this particular session is how to build your career like a pro. So before you graduate from your college, right? So one thing that as we move forward in this journey, I also have a gift for those of you who stay till the end. And this is an amazing program which is loved by thousands of people, thousands of students especially. It's called a superhero program. And this is a paid program, but I'm going to give it as a free for those of you who are going to stay till the end. Right? This is going to be super duper awesome. Are we excited? If you're excited, just type it down excited in the comment box. Just type it down excited in the comment box, right? I want full participation because one thing is very clear. Only involve, then you will evolve, right? So that is a very important thing. So let's actually involve to take the best advantage of this. Okay, so let's go forward. So before we actually get started, like building a career like a pro, we need to also understand what are the current problems and challenges faced by youth. So if you see, this is the market reality, right? So 94% of IT graduates in India are not fit for hiring, says Tech Mahindra CEO. What is the major challenge? The skill gap, right? So which means that there is a lot of mismatch, or we do not have the right type of skills in order to go to the next level. So innovation flight, right? So reskilling is really required. So this is been said by CEO of Tech Mahindra, so CP Gurnani, right? So not only that, so if you consider MBA today, 93% of MBA graduates are unemployable. Problems with management education in India, right? So both every place we are actually finding these challenges, which means one big problem which we are actually coming across in specifically when it comes to career is unemployment. And the second one is underemployment, which means that, so either we are not at all getting the job or we are getting the job, but we do like PhDs or higher education, post-graduation, but the salary, what it actually matches is not actually matching, right? So, which means that underemployment is another big challenge the whole country is facing. As a youth right now, let me ask this question to everybody. Let's see the engagement here. Let me ask this question. India as a nation, do we have more problem creators or problem solvers in the nation? Do we have more problem creators or problem solvers? Type it down in the comment box. Type it down in the comment box as a nation, right? Because we have a lot of problems and we have a lot of problem creators, and that is the biggest challenge that what we are facing today, right? How do we become a problem solver in the nation? Like what is that exactly what we need to be doing in order to take it forward, right? So let's go forward with that. See, these are the common, again, couple of challenges. Mechanical engineer is becoming auto drivers and various different challenges. Like this is a Tamil Nadu thing which actually happened in February 2019. So 4,600 candidate applied for 14 sweepers post in Tamil Nadu, right? Which means that people are getting through a huge challenge. So what is that solution for all these particular problems, right? So let's go with that. And that is 3-2-1 golden formula. Right? So 3-2-1 golden formula. What is this 3-2-1 golden formula to build your career like a pro, right? So what is that specifically that you need to be doing in order to make that thing happen? Let's go and actually understand. One thing that what you have to understand. So here it is saying 3-2-1. There are 3 golden formulas here. Let's go and one by one and understand that. See, there are 3 hard sets that what we need to understand. Everybody do this. Like if you are watching this in the comfort of your house, everybody do this because physical is memorable. if you are just sitting like this, because I understand it's not at all easy to go through huge lot of sessions, or you could be watching this on YouTube, or you could be watching this in a form of a recording. So anyway, if you want the highest form of learning, then you need to involve, you need to engage yourself, you need to be 100%. Only then everything, because physical, when you involve yourself, it becomes memorable. So I assume that you're already doing fantastic, great. So let's do this hard set, right? So we all have the hard set, but what are the three major hard set that we need to have to build our career like a pro, right? So the next thing is that we need to have two very important mindset that what we need to be having. And one because in this era, the biggest challenge what even youths are facing is that, number one is that they don't know the problem exists. It is something like, you see a lion when you are going in a jungle, but you turn this way, it does not mean that lion is not there. Lion is still there, right? So which means that, so are you willing to face the problems and ready to get through that? So we saw the problems, and now we need to understand how do we actually get through that. Like if you consider Niagara Falls, right? So if you consider, how many of you know Niagara Falls? Give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up, or type it down. Yes, 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 right? So if you know that, so like if you are turning this way, and if you are going with the flow, what will happen at the end? You cannot control it, because the sceneries, everything will be good, but you are going with the flow, and suddenly you will be in a challenge. And that's exactly what is happening in the final year, right? So many people are actually going through that challenge when they get into the final year of their engineering, BCA, BCom, any of that, right? So that is a bigger challenge, because somewhere something is missing here, right? Either the heart set is missing, mindset is missing, skill set is missing. And I'm going to share with you in this session, what is that only one skill, because everybody say many skills, right? But one skill, if you have that, you can actually master for generations together, because skill is actually going so fast, which means that future, we are actually getting closer to the future in the era of artificial intelligence, 3D printing, app development, and various things. And many things are coming new, and many things are getting outdated. In this era, how do you stay updated? Because today the syllabus what we are actually going through may not be relevant in the next 5 years for the job that what we will be getting forward, right? So in this so much uncertain situation, what is that one skill that what you need to be developing? So we will actually go forward with all of this 3-2-1 golden formula in this session. Okay. So a very important thing, let's get started with the 3 hard sets, right? So I really love sharing this, because this means a lot, right? So the very important thing, let's understand. So on a day-to-day basis, right? So we are actually getting food. It's only because of the farmers. I'll tell you why. Because you need to have a farmer discipline or farmer hard set. If you consider him, right? So he goes into the farming land every single day, right? He grows the food for all of us, right? So which means that he would have thought this, a small heart set. People will be having small heart set. What does that mean by, if I get a job for myself, that is enough, which means that you are having a small heart set, right? But if you have a farmer mindset, a farmer heart set, now what you are actually having is that, see, it is not only growing for myself, I want to grow it for as many people as possible. And that's exactly what is the best thing that what he does, right? If he was not having that heart set, if he was having a small heart set, what would have happened? What would have happened? So which means that we must be today in a farmland, right? So thank you so much for the farmers. How many of you are very thankful to the farmers? And it's very important that we need to have a larger heart set, right? Larger heart set like farmers, right? So going out, taking the huge efforts in terms of making it happen. Not only that, we have a lot more heart sets to be learned from. The second type of heart set that what we need to have is soldier heart set. Think about it. Even though he knows that he's going to die, okay, standing on the borders, so but still he goes for it. And think about the heart set of those parents, right? So today, what is that what we say, right? So starting a business or starting a venture is risky, but think about it. If all the parents would have told the same thing to the soldiers before they're going, hey, do not go, you will die, right? So it is risky. That is exactly the words we use when we are actually want to start our own venture, right? So we have been stopped, right? And I think I was in the last session also listening people having challenges with the parents. Like, how do we create alignment with the parents, right? So how do we actually go forward with that, right? One thing you have to understand, very thankful. We need to be very thankful to these soldiers. The reason is because they have a hard step to die for somebody that they don't even know. Are we ready today to create jobs for people that we don't even know? That is the kind of heart set we need to have in career building. See, understand this. Wherever there is scarcity heart set, we will be having a disease. Like, for example, if all the soldiers would have had this scarcity mindset saying that, no, we will not go. If all the youths are actually staying in the house only, what would have happened today? We would be having like Al Qaeda's in the nation, inside the nation, and having bombs blasting every place. And we must be becoming warriors for our own house, right? Thank you so much that they had that heart set and they are willing to die for people that they don't even know. Like literally, we do not know them, right? They are willing to die for the nation, right? So that is a beautiful thing. That what is the thing that what we need to learn. But are we ready today? Building our self career, like, so what is happening again in the job market? Everybody is thinking about their job. No, heart set is very small. Now everybody is thinking gain, job, right? Who is the job creator? Who is having a hard set to create job in the nation? Because I was actually recently finding the 2020 GDP statistics, right? And it is saying that we are slipping below the GDP of Bangladesh, right? Which is too scary, right? So which is too scary, right? Because like today's youths, if we lose against Bangladesh in cricket, how much passionate we get, how much like no, like why we lost it. So all these things happen. But right now with the GDP, we are actually going down, which is not good, which means that we all need to become creators. We all need to become producers, right? So we all need to become entrepreneurs, right? So where we can have that heart set to help as many people as possible. That is true success. How many people can you actually change their life and take them to the next level, right? So that is the second heart set. And the third heart set, you're going to love it, right? The champion heart set. So no matter what, never quitting attitude, right? So no matter what, never quitting attitude. Like when farmer is actually sowing, right? So does he have a risk of losing all his crops? Absolutely yes. Risk is there in every place, right? Risk is there in every place. So one thing that what you have to understand, right? In career building, if you are thinking only of a job is not bad, but it's just limited, right? But you growing beyond yourself, because getting a job, you just need to grow yourself, build your skills, build your profile, right? But you building a system and creating many people a job, that requires lot more beyond you. Those of you who have the thing that I need to grow beyond myself and serve as many people as possible, you need to grow beyond, right? And that's a very important thing, right? So having the farmer attitude, no matter what, keep showing it, even though he takes the risk for us. Like if he lose, he will lose. If he gains, we all eat. That's the beauty. Think about that heart set, right? If all the soldiers win, we all win. If they lose, they die. Are you understanding what I'm talking about when I say heart set, right? So champion heart set. We need to have the heart set of a champion, right? So look at the energy. Today I see a lot of youths walking around like a dead body, right? That's not the heart set we need to have. We need to have like, I need to be doing something for this nation, and that needs to come no matter what, right? See, when you actually find this particular thing here, just a minute. When you actually find something specifically as we move forward, so we need to have whatever it takes attitude. Are we having whatever it takes attitude in life? That is very, very important, right? I hope that you understood the heart set. Having that heart set to move forward is very, very important when you are building your career, right? Then let's go with the two mindset, right? So specifically with the mindset, I want you to actually understand. Tell me something in the chat box. So when we are going through this particular thing, first very important thing is learning mindset, right? Because if you are not having the learning mindset, you cannot evolve. You will be where you are. And that is going to be stinking. Like think about a water. If it stays in the same place, it stinks, right? So you need to be having evolving mindset. Let's go and understand with an example of learning mindset, right? Tell me, what is the most sophisticated gadget on the planet Earth? What is the most sophisticated gadget on the planet Earth? Is it rocket? Is it computers? Is it quantum computers? What is it? What is the most sophisticated gadget on the planet Earth? So you need to actually type it down in the comment box. Yes. Type it down in the comment box. Yes, fantastic. So the most sophisticated gadget on the planet Earth is human brain, right? So we all have this. Like if you consider anything that has been created on this planet Earth is been created by this human brain, right? But initially when you are actually going into any of the fields, it's going to be like barren. Like when you go into the career, right? It's going to be like this, empty, right? But in the college of 4 years of your education, if you just leave it like that, it's going to be like this. Final year you come, no output. You do not know what to do, right? So same thing is true with the average mind. If you do build some skill, some profile, it's going to be like crops like this. Otherwise, it's a useless land. Or you can be bit useful land where you have output in thousands. But you need to know what type of seed you need to put. It's like this. You see areca, right? You put it, then you will be having output in lakhs and crores. So what is the type of investment you are ready to do in your learning that is going to give so amazing returns? So that is very, very important, right? And the second growth mindset that what we need to be having is, as I said, if you keep the water just like that for years, right? Like just keep it for a week, right? What is going to happen? It's going to get stinked very soon, right? And that is true with the growth mindset. That is true with the growth mindset. Same thing is true when if you keep your thing, which is actually, if you consider ship, right? If you stay in the same place, what will happen, right? So it is not meant to be there on the harbor. It needs to be sailed, right? So that is a very, very important thing that what we need to understand when it comes to the mindset. So same thing is with the plane. It's not built to be in the airport. It has to fly. Okay, so I hope that you understood 3 heart set you need to be having, 2 mindset you need to be having, learning and growth mindset, right? And then the skill set. What is that number 1 skill that is going to be future proof or career proof everything for your future? 1 skill. Let's go. What is that 1 skill? You see in the diagram here, so there are a lot of things there coming in, right? So which means the very important skill that what we need to be having is the skill of building a new skill. And that is the skill that what we need to master. Only 1 skill, the skill of building new skills. How can you build that skill of building a new skill, right? So that is exactly where we need to actually focus on, right? So with that, we will actually understand either in the career, you can actually go with the flow for 4 years in the career, instant fun focus. This is the route map for you to actually become failure in life. This is the route map for you to become failure in life. And with this, giving excuses, no skills, no profile, you will be having a no job or less paying job. Or you can get here with directed flow, lifetime value, have mentor, have goals, inspired and directed, right? So work on this and attract high paying career. So choice is you, which one to follow, right? With that, as I promised you that we will be having this particular gift, right? So particular gift specifically with this and this, right? So superhero program, this is a 13 module program, which is a 3 hours of program. So if you are interested in how to launch your superhero career in 3 days, so the team will be sharing the link here in the form of Google form somewhere, right? So you can actually find out that and actually get part of this amazing program for free, absolutely for free, right? So that's going to be super duper awesome. And here is where you can actually connect with me on social media platform. And I'm very, very thankful for the 3G team again, and Dr. Maharaja and the whole entire team who is putting this amazing event forward. I'm looking forward for this event to be really, which is really happening in a crazier way. I know for sure you be here, and this is the best thing that you can actually do during this particular time. So we are in a challenging time, but we need to invest in our education, and you are all doing that. Thank you so much for this again, and thank you, Dr. Maharaja sir, and all the people here in the 3G team and everybody. Yeah, thank you. So I think team can actually share the social media handles if we have that. Yeah, thank you.
Definitely. So thank you so much. Thank you so much, Kirtan sir. We know that you are a very busy person there. So giving your time, valuable time here and inspiring a lot of people here. So everyone, so take more action to get yourself to the next level. Thank you so much for your time. And we have a token of gratitude from our side, a certificate for yourself. And please kindly receive this.